4 8-inch Lanzars at the moment. The box was built for
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Alright, so music off. What's your name, man? And what's in here?
4 8-inch Lanzars at the moment. The box was built for Rogue Audio 8s. It's about 3.8 cubes, tuned at 35. The port is firing up behind that other seat.
Okay.
And I had to do it like this because I got 2 car seats in the back. I got a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old.
Yes, sir.
So,
very nice. What are these subs rated at RMS-wise, do you know?
Oh, man, I think they say 800, but probably 250.
250.
Maybe.
So 800 watts, 250, 300 RMS.
And they're actually on an MD8K. That stuff down there.
Okay. Do you have any extra battery or electrical upgrades?
No, not yet. I got a 250 amp large case coming from Brandex in about a week and a half.
Okay.
And then after that, lithium is going in the bed. I'm gonna hook up my SAE 100.4 for the doors. I'm gonna replace. It's all gonna get built up.
Yes, sir. Is it just that one port?
Yes.
Right there. Okay.
All the amps and batteries are gonna go in the bed. Everything.
Yes, sir.
So next time you see me.
Yeah, man. Is there a way I can open the back just to see the box a little better?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. There we go. Just so I can see it a little bit easier.
Sure.
Nice.
Yes.
Oh, so your port's actually, okay.
Yeah.
Do you know how deep down it goes?
It goes to about down here.
Right here? Okay.
Yeah, it's tuned to 35.
Okay. Who built this?
Kevin Garanto out of Somerville, South Carolina.
Did a good job.
Yeah, he did.
Nice job.
He killed it. I love it.
Yeah. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. 4 8-inch subwoofers in a truck. Very unique style system. Really glad to be able to show y'all how it sounds today. Not the loudest system by no means, but gets the job done. And of course, he said it was a family vehicle. So be sure to give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. I did not get to be able to see where his amplifier was. He says it was underneath the seat, but he says it was a Taramps MD8K. Of course, he has it way turned down, and he has some plans as he was talking about. So thank y'all for watching. This was at the Ruckus and Chill Show in Fayetteville, North Carolina of 2022. He was talking about his port line depth. I really wanted to know how far down that port went without poking my camera all the way in. So it was right at that line. Really efficient amount of port area for this box. Seemed like it was playing anything from 30 hertz up to 45 hertz really well musically in this demo you're about to hear. So the other thing I really like to say about the system is he can put his seats up, and with that port facing upright, it allows for all of the subwoofer breathing room for that ported enclosure to get optimal output without having to worry about the seats or anything blocking the airflow. So hope y'all enjoyed that little quick walk around discussion. Thank y'all for watching my videos. Consider subscribing, and we're about to get to a bass demo. Please remember that these are 8-inch subwoofers, so not going to be the loudest system by no means, but enjoy. Does it do better windows down or up? Is there a way you can play one more song with just a little bit of subflex action? Is that all right for the YouTube? It's a good really system where you can have your family in here and not have to worry about it breaking everything. Yeah.
All the amps and batteries are going to go in the bed and everything.
Yes, sir.
So next time you see me.
Yeah, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.